With robotics becoming more developed each day, researchers took interest in exploring the details and concepts behind this new dynamic. For this research, we focused on the effect that sociability has on the verbal interaction between a human and a robot. The main inspiration for this research were the two experiments performed by Takuyuki Kanda with the Robovic robot. In both these experiments, test subjects interacted with a robot in order to develop emotional bonds with them, which would then be put into morally conflicting scenarios in order to test the effects that sociability of the robot had on the humans and their perception of it. We proposed two hypotheses for our experiment. Hypothesis 0 states that a more socially engaging robot that displays emotions and makes mistakes can create a higher level of intimacy with the participant and can lead to disclosure of information by the participant to the robot. Hypothesis 1 states that an extrovert participant feels more relaxed when engaging with a social and emotional robot and can lead to disclosure of information by the participant. To establish an interaction between the human and the robot, we created a 10-question quiz which the robot would use to perform questions to the test subjects. We then created two separate robots. Robot A is the boring robot, since it had no social capacities and would just question the test subject in a straightforward manner. Robot B would be the cool robot, since it delivered a more human-like interaction with the human. We then collected the data from our experiments using pre-established metrics and treated them in order to draw conclusions from our experience.